guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please click that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So in this video, papakita ko sa inyo guys kung paano ko tinatanggal yung polygel nails ko using the nail drill that I bought just recently. And if you're interested in these nail designs, you can check out my channel. Nalagay ko rin siya sa description box below yung links. So let's get started. Ito yung gagamitin nating nail drill. It was also suggested by HK and LTV kasi inas niya if okay ba siya pang tanggal ng polygel sa previous video ko kung saan tinas ko tong drill na to for the first time. Gagamit ako ng sanding band and pinili ko yung coarse grit kasi magtatanggal tayo ng polygel kaya kailangan natin ng mas rougher na grit. Before tayo mag-file, gagamit muna tayo ng nail clippers para i-trim down yung length for less filing. But also check baka natural nails na yung nakiklip mo. We only want to trim the polygel extension down. And then, tatanggalin din natin ang rhinestones using the same nail clipper. And since gumamit tayo ng nail polish over the polygel nails, tatanggalin muna natin to using a nail polish remover. After that, gagamitin na natin yung nail drill. So, I'm going from the left side of the nail to the right and then gagawin natin to until manipis na siya. So, this sanding band is coarse, so be careful na hindi siya dumikit sa skin ng matagal kasi baka masugatan kayo. Also, if you're not comfortable na mag-continue sa pag-file, don't proceed. Yes, as much as possible, we need to file thin, pero iniiwasan natin yung natural nails na ma-damage. So, file down to where you're comfortable kasi pwede naman tayo bumawi sa pag-soak ng nails sa nail polish remover. So hanggang ganito kanipis yung kaya ko i-file. And ganito karami yung dust na nag-accumulate, kaya wear a mask pag mag-file. I specifically chose this background color na maging black so you guys can see kung gaano karaming dust ang nagagawa if you're filing, and it can be dangerous to health, so please wear a mask. And you can also buy a nail dust collector para yung dust will not be all over the place. So maglalagay tayo ng nail polish remover sa cotton that's big enough to fit the nail, and then ilalagay natin yung nail soak off clips. Pwede rin kayo gumamit ng foil wraps. Effective siya sa pag-soak ng nails ng mas mabilis. I don't have one right now, so we'll stick to this for now. Pwede nyo rin isoak mismo yung nails sa nail polish remover. Some people do steam, so kahit ano dun, okay lang din. So after 20 minutes, tatry na natin siya scrape off. Gagamitin natin yung cuticle pusher, but don't put too much force, just enough to see kung matatanggal siya. I also sped it up, pero I'm still being gentle. Kung di pa rin siya matanggal, it's okay. Isusok mo ulit siya for another 20 minutes. So after another 20 minutes, tatry ulit natin siya scrape off. I did another round of soaking, so nakatatlong 20 minutes ako until natanggal ko na lahat ng polygel. Gagamit tayo ng buffer para matanggal yung mga maliliit na natirang polygel, and also trimming down the nails kasi humaba na siya. After doing that to all of my nails, lalagyan na natin siya ng cuticle oil. And there you have it. My nails are ready for another set of nail art. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I do, so please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below suggestions on what I should do next. Also follow me on Instagram at @thehappyfingers, and if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications, and I'll see you on the next one.